Tammy Cole is a Virginia agriculture leader and the Director of Operations for Healthy Harvest Fresh, a nonprofit organization based in Richmond County that is pioneering aquaponics production and agricultural education in the Commonwealth. Cole has described the Healthy Harvest Fresh aquaponics facility, which combines fish culture and hydroponic plant production as a symbiotic system, truly special in its field. She emphasized its role in expanding agricultural literacy by offering experiential learning opportunities for schools and community members. Under her leadership, the facility aims to produce up to 140,000 pounds of locally grown protein and produce annually for a 6-county food bank region and area schools. It also plans to use hands-on education to help Virginians understand food systems, make healthy choices, and potentially support self-sufficiency. Cole also has engaged with agricultural technology students and industry partners to connect classroom learning with real-world sustainable agriculture practices. Her value in agriculture education, experience, and awareness makes Cole an inspirational woman in Virginia agriculture. We're proud to spotlight Tammy Cole as part of our International Year of the Woman Farmer series.